Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I, play around with some makeup. Where am I going? Nowhere. It's actually like 9 o'clock in the morning, but this is the look that I created for you guys. It's this really cute purple halo eye. Yeah, that's what they call it. That's what the girls are calling it. And I did use the Jackie Aina and ABH collection palette to create this look. So per usual, if you want to see how I got this look, because it's kind of fire, but I'm just saying, then please stay tuned and keep watching. But before all of that happens, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Gilly. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so it's bright and it's early, so my voice is going to sound terrible, but here we are with the star of the show again for today. I'm going to try to use more of the purple toned shades in here, as well as probably maybe mixing a little bit of this shimmer. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Probably going to be a cut crease. You hate to see it. So first I'm just going to go in with this shade Supreme. Supreme is flying away from my pan. And we're just going to stamp her. Ooh, she's pink and she's pigmented. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this shade Pinker just to start building in a lot of that depth and definition into this eye look. Next, I'm going to jump into that shade Big Wig and add a little bit more definition. If you guys haven't been able to tell, I have decided to go in and do a halo eye. I totally blanked out on what I was doing. I do seem to be getting some fallout here from this eye, but not really this eye, just like a little bit on this corner. But it's fine because I really haven't done my concealer yet, so I don't really care. If I had done my concealer, I would have been pissed. Going back with my original brush just to make sure everything is blended out. My edges look real cute and seamless because nothing looks worse than unblended shadows, But once again, even though these are kind of scary shades, like purple for me, I don't like working with like purples because like I get really scared of what's going to happen. These are really, really pretty shades, super easy to blend out and like just honestly complement and melt into each other. I'm going to quickly cut the center of my eyelid so that we can jump into our halo eye. I am going to be cutting it using the ABH eye primer. I've actually been really enjoying this a lot lately once I finally got the hang of it. Definitely there's a learning curve to this product. So this is like a rough estimate of where my halo eye will be going. I'm going to go in with this purple shimmer shade called Shookington, and I'm going to stamp that all over the center of my lid. And then just to kind of really bring a little bit more depth and dimension into this look, I'm going to jump into the shimmer shade called Sponsored. Just on a whim, we're going to see what that does to the very, very center of this like halo eye. So I just lined my eyes with the Beauty Bakery Lollipop liner. Really like this liner, except my like container in there keeps popping out of like the metal thing. So that's a little annoying. But for lashes today, I'm going to be using these Kiss Eye Envy lashes. And these are the 3D collection, the 102s. Really obsessed with these lashes. Love what they do to a look. Absolutely adore them. So now that our lashes are applied and looking real cute and thick, never thought I'd be someone who liked thick, fluffy lashes, but these lashes are doing it for me. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly run through my face. Y'all know the drill. Y'all seen me do this too many times, so I'm gonna quickly go through it. And then if you really wanna know what products I use, they will all be listed down below in the description bar. So this is the final look that I created for the day. I must say I am like obsessed. I think this looks so good. I'm so sad I'm gonna have to wash my face in like an hour because I'm really going nowhere and I gotta go study, but this is gorgeous. Like these colors, everything. Super obsessed with this look. Jackie really did kill it with this palette. This is my second video on this palette, so obviously it's a really good palette, and I definitely think everybody should go out there and pick this up. The colors, everything in here is just so phenomenal. Like, it's just so well thought out. It's such a great palette. Absolutely love it. And as well as the best part about this look for me is definitely the lips. Like, this is like my true nude. I'm wearing the ColourPop BFF3 liner with the ABH Lipstick in Honey, and this looks so nice. Like, this is my nude. I've actually been really obsessed with the ABH like bullet lipsticks lately. Honey, Latte, and Stevie are my 3 favorite shades, just in case you were wondering. But this is the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Per usual, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you know what you waiting on, girl. You know you want to hop to it, and then you'll get to see me more often. But if you also want to, you know, kind of go to my Instagram, like a couple pics, you could do that too, because it's the same thing, you know. I'm giving you guys content all over. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Gilly. It's gonna pop up somewhere, so you can't say, oh, I don't know how to spell it. It's on the screen. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.